Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I recently got my first car, I'm always trying to find a way to keep it clean and organized for all these ways. This is where this Armor All comes into place with protecting my tires. So one of the things that I like about this the most is how shiny and at the same time it's protecting the rubber of the tires just perfect. The nice sensation of a foam that it will cover the whole tire and it's going to keep the shiny, the black, the natural black for the tires. It's really nice. So most of the times when you're going into a dirty road or when you're just trying to keep your car clean and really looking nice, using this type of products actually does a great job. And in my case, whenever I try to use this or after I clean my car, just going around with a nice applicant, foam it down with the whole power of the tire, and it just stays clean, shiny, and really dark. And actually, is doing a great protection because I live in a weather which is always high heat, and that actually helps a lot. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.